Okay, so now that you've created your first YouTube channel, it's time to do other things of which no one will tell you about. So we're going to configure some settings you're supposed to do right away. So to do that, follow me along. Okay, so we created a new channel name called Rainz. So we're going to customize the channel. After customizing the channel, we'll go to YouTube Studio and do some other settings from there. So when you click on customize channel, this is where you can edit in. Okay, so as you can see here, we can change the channel art. We can also edit our profile picture. We can also add sections. So the first thing you need to do is to add the section. So we're going to select popular uploads. Okay, and we're going to click done. And we're going to add another section called uh, created playlist. Okay, we're going to save it. We're going to add another section called uh, live now in case we put a live video going on. Okay, so you can add in as many as possible as you can. Then on the featured channels, you can add in any channel would like people to see, any channel you recommend. Okay, so as of now, I'm going to leave it as blank. So when you're done with this, you can as well click here on this button. You can choose any settings you like to show, but it's advised that you keep them the way they are. So in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel art. So make sure that you follow along. So once you are done with these basic settings, you can go to the about page here. Okay, you need to choose a country. Okay, so if you're in Africa or Zambia, especially if you're in Zambia, you can choose United States. Okay, I'll tell you the reasons why you should choose this country later on. Okay, so you can also add in an email if you want. You can also edit the description by clicking here. So once you're done with this, let's configure in some advanced settings. So all you need to do is to uh, click here and click where it's written YouTube Studio. So this is going to load the YouTube Studio. Okay, so this is YouTube Studio and this is how YouTube Studio. So as you can see on this section, you're going to see videos. So here, this is where you're going to see some videos where you can click on edit, alt tags, and so on. Playlist, this is where you're going to see some playlist. Monetization, this is where you're going to see how you are from getting your channel approved. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to click on the settings. Okay. So general. So what we need to choose our currency. So it's better to leave it as US dollar for now. Then the channel here, you need to add in some keywords. I'm going to talk about keywords later on. So, but in case you don't know about keywords, keywords is just some search terms that relate to your channel. So, for example, if my channel is about food, I can add in some keywords like food. Okay, keys, you write, then you press a comma. Maize. Okay, these are just simple terms. Okay, so here you need to enter some keywords related to your channel. When you're done with this, you can click on save. Okay, go to advanced settings. Do you want to set this channel as made for kids? Just choose no. Set this channel is not made for kids. If your channel is made for kids, then set it to yes. It's up to you. So branding, okay. I'm sure you've seen some videos where they've got like an icon on the right bottom of every video. This is where you can add an icon. So for now, I won't add it for me because this is just a demo. So to add, just click on choose image there to add it. Okay, so when you're done with this, you can also come to upload default. Okay, I suggest leaving this the way they are, but if you want, you can add them. Then permissions, just leave it the way it is, don't do anything. So on the community, we can add in some other members. As of now, just leave it the way it is, just like that. So this is the settings I wanted to show you. Okay, I'll be showing you more and more settings as you go on. So if you have not yet enrolled in this free course, click the link in the description and enroll into my YouTube free course for Africans. Bye for now.